Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on this laptop. The simplest way to do it is by pressing and holding the F7 button that is located next to your Windows button, and then clicking the F7, and this will turn your touchpad off. By clicking it again, your laptop will turn on. Alternatively, you can do it from settings, but if you don't have the access to your touchpad, you have to press Windows button once, then tab, then use right arrow button to navigate to settings, press enter to open settings, then press tab once again, use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices, press enter, then press tab 5 more times until you have the devices section selected, then use a down arrow key to navigate to touchpad, then press enter to open it, and then use spacebar to toggle your touchpad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.